In this lesson, we will look at how to set up payroll and run payroll in Build. First, let us set up our payroll profile. Click on Payroll in the navigation pane on the left side of the dashboard. A message welcomes you and asks you to begin setup. Here, you will input all the information being requested. The ER number is the number provided by SSNIT when a business registers with them. The TIN is your tax identification number as given by the tax authorities. In Build, you would find a list of all the tax offices in Ghana. So you simply need to scroll through and choose your tax office. You will then go ahead and choose your Tier 2 pension fund manager, as well as provide the unique identification number provided by your Tier 2 pension fund manager. Then you save. The next thing to do is to choose between synchronizing with your account or not. If you choose to sync with your account, you will simply turn this button on and go ahead to define the various expense and liability accounts that will be affected for payroll accounting. Once you are done, you save. And then continue. Creating your first department is the next thing to do. Once this is done, you can finish the setup. You receive a congratulatory message asking you to now create your first employee. Each text box displays whether the information is required or not. Finally, you input the salary information for the employee. If there are multiple taxable allowances, you will use this field to indicate. Then, the summation of all the taxable allowances inputs will be shown here. Next, if there are multiple reimbursements, you will use this field just as done for the taxable allowance. You can also go ahead to input the bank details of the employee in question. Build will then go ahead to verify the details provided. If it is correct, you will simply click OK and move on. Once this is done, you can save and close if it is the only entry you are making, or save and add new if you want to add another. It simply opens up a second interface where you can do just as previously illustrated. We can now see that our first employee has been successfully created.